My name is Isaac, and we're gonna show you how to
sand.
How to sand, and you turn it on.
Okay, hold on. Let me say a couple things, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is Jared again, and we're still working on that squat rack. It's my 6-year-old son. There's all kinds of safety stuff that I'm obviously not addressing. You should wear glasses. Isaac doesn't even have any. Whatever. Take safety precautions. Don't sue me. And again, I don't take any responsibility for any squat racks you build. This is all at your own risk. By watching these videos, you consent to not take any action whatsoever against me or my family. There you go. So, sand. I know most of you probably know how to do this, but and I'm sure I'm not going to tell you everything a professional would say. I just want to take some of the splinters off. So I've got this palm sander I've had for a while from Harbor Freight, and there's a little sanding sponge too. So you just go with the grain and sand it up. I'm sure there's more YouTube videos that'll tell you more about that. Go ahead, buddy. Back and forth, all the way down, and then on the ends, you know, you can just kind of sand it on the end and smooth it out too. But I'm not going to make a long video about this, but that's sanding for the squat rack. Okay, tell them bye-bye.
Bye. Wait, bye.
Like and subscribe. All that YouTube stuff. Oh yeah, here's the brother. Hey, Levi, say hey. Thanks for watching. He wants to do that. Okay, we'll let him do that.